Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the art class. See what I'm going to teach you today. A parrot. Do you love to see a beautiful, vibrant green parrot early morning? Does it come in your balcony? Do you feed him with some grains, with some chilies? And do you give him water to drink? So, I'll be teaching you to draw a parrot using easy basic shapes. Here we go. To draw a parrot, you will keep your art file vertically like this. And then, for the face of the parrot, let's start by making a small circle. Not very small, children. It should be big enough so that our parrot looks nice and attractive. Shouldn't be too small. Now one more small circle inside for his eye and another circle inside it, a smaller one for the eyeball. Now let's make his beak. To make his beak, let's write the Hindi alphabet ch. You all write ch like this. So you are going to draw one sleeping line. Draw the curve of the ch and join it to the face of the parrot. We are not making the standing line of the ch. We are just making the curved part of ch. Now join this line till here to his face, and this long line is going to turn into a semicircle for his upper beak part. Now children, let's make some feathers that are coming out like that. One tiny circle I've made inside his eye. And now what are you going to do? We are going to make from here one long slanting line which is also going to become his long tail feather, and from here we are going to make a curve which is going to become his body, a C. And then we are going to make it narrow and join. So the tail of our parrot is ready. Now I need to add some more tail feathers for him. So for that I can draw one more line and extend the tail a little bit more. Now what about his wings? His wings are right over here, like we have shoulders and from our shoulders the hands come out. So the parrot's wings are coming out of this place which is supposedly his shoulder. Now how to make his wing? Again make a C curve shape and then let's make the feathers in this way, curves. This is the scale pattern which you draw on a fish also. And we are going to make it very, very colorful. Now what about his claws, his feet? To make his claws, children, again I am going to write a C and write one more C and make a line in the center like this. Where is the other feet? For the other feet, again a C, another C and join. So his feet is also ready. His claws, these are his claws. And now I want to show that he's sitting on a branch. Now to how to make the branch, children? See, right? So from here, move up, up, up diagonally, and from there move down diagonally. Don't draw on the tail feather and till there. Now let's double this branch. Children, as you know, the branch of the tree is irregular. It is not made with a scale. God has not made it with a scale. So we are going to use curved slanting lines. And now let's add a few beautiful green leaves to it. Children, let's add some more leaves of the tree. Can you see how I'm drawing? Pointed leaves with veins. You can add as many and wherever you wish to. This could also be a mango tree. I have taught you how to make a mango tree. You know, parrots love to eat mangoes also. In my next class, next video, I will teach you how to color this beautiful parrot. Thank you for watching.